All right, good afternoon, everybody. Today's video finds us over here at Hualongpong Station, and I'm standing right in front of a little monument to King Chulalongkorn. This is the site of the start of the Thai Railway, and it's just outside of the station. And as you can see, the station is back behind me. Anyway, what we're gonna do, we're in for a special little treat today. I'm going to jump on some Japanese trains, and we're gonna ride up to Monkey City or to Lopburi. And we're gonna go over there and we're gonna see the town. I've been to Lopburi many times, but I haven't been on this Japanese train. What we're gonna do is we're gonna ride these. They're Kiha 183 is the name of the train. And there's some Japanese trains that were donated from the Japanese, like 2017. The Thais got 17 of them. They spent 42 million baht shipping them from Japan to here, and then they refurbished them so they fit the Thai train tracks. They redid the electrical, but they've kept all the Japanese writing and everything like that inside of it. So we're going to Lopburi for the King Narai festival. And I came across this following Richard Barrow on Twitter. He does a nice job with Thai train guides. And if you want information about the Thai rail network, he does a fantastic job. So I'll pin like a little picture there so you can see if you're interested in following him. He does detailed guides of all the stations, all the different lines, and he does a really good job. So anyway, we're gonna jump on this. It was a cost of 599 baht, and it's gonna be from like 12 until 11 o'clock tonight. We're gonna go around, we're gonna see some festival stuff. They're gonna play some luktung, some of the Thai style music. They're gonna take us around. We're supposed to be able to see some of the ruins of Lopburi. Lopburi used to be like kind of a second capital city under King Narai. He would go over there and use Lopburi as the capital like 9 months out of the year. And there's quite a bit of stuff. So we should see his palace and Wat Maha Hat and a few other things. So let's see what we see. I'm excited about this. All right, so here is the train. Now it's kind of cool looking. These were built like in 81, 82, somewhere in there. And you see the cab is way up high. And the reason why is they did that so that like driving through the big snowdrifts up in northern Japan. And it's diesel, it's quite loud, so I don't know how this will turn out. That's the engine up there. And then there's 4 carriages. And a total of 200 people will be on this tour. I'm assigned to coach number 4 or car number 4. So it's here in the back. They have it set up with some little displays with the Japanese lanterns and the cherry blossoms. And you can see they've kept all the Japanese writing. So right there. And they've kept the Japanese writing like right here in between the cars. Yeah, the Thais love Japan, so this is a special treat for them. All right, let's go in and let's look around here. So here they have some little rooms for some stuff. Oh, power doors. Okay, so here's my seat, 10A. It's not gonna be the best view, but it'll be all right. They have some nice reclining chairs. A lot more comfortable than the normal chairs that you see. And they've kept all the little promotional stuff. Yeah, this is quite cool. And this is the bathroom between the cars. And then they have a separate little wash station with a baby changing facility. This is car number 3, has the racks up here. And it's got the AC going, it's quite nice. Here's car number 2. And you can see they have these nice cushion back chairs that recline. And the breaker cover still has the Japanese on it. Yeah, that's quite cool. Automatic doors, definitely an upgrade from the normal Thai train. But the price to normally Lopburi is like 20 baht or something like that. Well, this is 600 baht. be home the rest of the day. So it takes about 2 hours to get to Lopburi, and then we'll go around by the bus and see all the other stuff. So hopefully we'll have a good time.สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ 10A ครับ
10A ขอบคุณนะครับ
ให้รู้ว่าทุกท่านเป็นผู้โดยสารของการรถไฟนะคะ ตัวแมปค่ะแล้วก็ดูที่ตัวแมปอีกทีนะคะ ตัวแมปจะมีตัว welcome link ค่ะตัว welcome link นะคะ
โ All right, here we are in Lopburi. So we got the tour here. And they were encouraging people to dress up in the traditional clothes. Over here's the ticket booth. And right outside the train station is Wat Maha Hat. And then this old British engine. And then this small little ruin over here. I've done videos of all of these. Wat Maha Hat is like the crown jewel here in Lopburi. And here's our little buses that we'll be on. All right, here we go. This thing's kind of rickety. So we got the gal here with the megaphone, and here's the driver. You can see he's got a brick underneath his foot. So a little bit of traffic here on the road today. Yeah, this will be a nice look at Wat Maha Hat. Now, Lopburi itself goes back about 3,000 years of human habitation. There's kingdoms prior to the Lopburi that they've uncovered, they've excavated. And that way it leads to downtown, to the King Narai Palace. Over here, this is an old temple. Dates back to King Narai, and then it was built on some ruins of some others. And then over this way is the Hindu shrine, and straight up front is the Wat Samyot, and over here is the Wat Indra. I've done some of these on like the Monkey Festival, and I've done a few walking tours and stuff like that here. See the monkeys, they got the food out for them. And there goes the train we were on. We'll be getting back on it at 8 o'clock tonight. You can see the monkeys. There's two rival gangs. There's one gang on this side of the road, and then there's the gang on the side over here by the temple. They actually will fight here in the middle of the road sometimes. You can see there how many of them there are. Looks like somebody threw some food out to him. And that's Wat Samyot, Wat Prang Samyot. It's a Khmer temple that was built on. And here's this temple. You can't go up to the top. All you can do is you can go over to the shrine right there. This is all blocked off. And when you go in there, you got to be careful. The monkeys will jump on you and try to bite you. And you can see all the monkeys here. Now, believe it or not, I actually one time parked my motorcycle not too far from here, and I had a water bottle on it. I came back and it was gone. They came over and they stole it. They put the wire mesh up to keep the monkeys out. And if you park your car, they'll get up there, they'll pull on the antennas, they'll break the windshield wipers. You can see them in the back of the truck. Just a little bit away from the Wat Prang Samyot is this other little Khmer temple here. I showed this one off on my walking tour also. You can see they got the traditional clothes over there. This is the Davastan Prang Krak. And you can't go inside of that, it's unfortunate. And over here is the ambassador's residence. And this is quite a cool little ruin. All right, so here's the ruin. So we're getting into this for free with this little tour.